What's up everyone? My name is Tony Reed. I'm the Director of Culinary at Spiceology. Today I'm going to show you how to boil crab legs. Why do we want to boil our seafood? Two reasons: to evenly distribute flavor as well as keeping your proteins moist. A boil is exactly what it sounds like. You throw in your proteins, your veggies, and your flavors, and you let it boil. Bring your water to a boil and then use the Pink Peppercorn Lemon Thyme. Be generous. When boiling, we always add a seasoning. Why? Because it adds flavor. Now we're ready to drop in the seafood. Once you drop your crab into the boil, allow another 5 minutes to cook the crab before straining. Start your compound butter melting process before you even start boiling your water. That's what you want it to look like, nice and moist. And it's always good to dip it in compound butter. Get to the bottom though so you can get all those spices. Always boil your crab legs. It's perfect every time.